Oh, yeah, now this looks good.
Oh,
This looks,
waffle thing.
it's a waffle chicken sandwich?
Yeah, it's our twist on a chicken waffle.
No, this shit about to be good, chat. Now, chat, this one's gonna be good. Now, oh my God. Anything with chicken on it, chicken is good, chat. This one's gonna be good.
Oh, you ate that big. Oh, that's very good.
Bro, this is the one. This the one you should be putting on sale.
Much more on that.
This one is good.
More than that two shots? Yeah.
That's the one.
Oh, it was hot though. So how do you rate that 1 to 6? Norwegian chicken and waffles.
8 out of 10. Yeah. Oh my God.
Please don't hurt yourself.